Today we'll discuss CHSC Annual 2020 Set C Math questions. 4 mark question we'll discuss. Question number 2. That is actually एलिमेंट बुक में आया था क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 पेज नंबर 65 सेकंड बीट आया था. ये इनवर्स का ये सेकंड बीट 11 क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड बीट पेज नंबर 65 में आया था. Okay, so that's why it is important. What the question is given? That question is here given tan pi by 4 plus half cos inverse a by b plus tan pi by 4 minus half cos inverse a by b is equal to 2b by a. LHS is equal to what? This part is L. Now, so in LHS, that simple tan a plus b format डाल दो. After expanding using tan a plus b format, तो इसको डालने के बाद तो ये आ जाएगा. तो दैट इज tan a प्लस tan b. ये है a, ये है b. तो tan a प्लस tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b फॉर्मूला. तो दैट इज tan pi by 4 का वैल्यू 1 है, इसको डाल दिया. सिमिलरली हियर tan pi by 4 वैल्यू 1 डाल दिया. ये tan pi by 4 that is 1 डाल दिया. After putting that value, simple cross multiplication, taking LCM, this is a minus b, this is a plus b. So that is a square minus b square हो जाएगा. That means this part multiply with this part multiply with this. So what the value comes? That is equal to a plus b का whole square and a minus b का whole square. That means this is a, this is b, this is a, this is b. So that is a plus b का होल स्क्वायर हो गया, a minus b का होल स्क्वायर हो गया. उसका फॉर्मूला हमको पता है 2 into h square plus b square का फॉर्मूला. ये है 2 into 1 into tan square half cos inverse a by b. So that is 1 plus tan square half cos inverse a by b. नीचे 1 minus tan square half cos inverse a by b. That is, you know that the cos of 2 theta formula. That is what 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square. मतलब you know that cos of 2 theta का formula है 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. According to this, that means ये नीचे हो गया. So that's a 1 by cos of 2 into ये है theta half into cos inverse a by b. That means after cutting, that is the cos of cos inverse a by b, that comes to a by b. So that's 1 by a by b is equal to 2b by a, which is equal to RHS. You understood? Now question actually that 4-mark question and 6-mark question. In this 2020 year, काउंसिल का क्वेश्चन सब आया था बुक में, सब बुक में आया था. 91% बुक में आया था. Bit by bit I will explain what page number and what question I will give to you. Okay, please follow. Okay, thank you. Another question also, second bit to question number 2. What will this is the question. In question number 2 का B, that is LPP का अंदर जाता है. That means question number 4 in page number 71 एलिमेंट बुक में है. तो एलिमेंट बुक में फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में एलपीपी का फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पेज नंबर 71 में है. दैट इज बुक क्वेश्चन. ऑल आर कम फ्रॉम बुक. A man plans to start a poultry farm by investing at most 3,000. He can buy an old hen for 80 rupees and a young hen 140 rupees. But he cannot house more than 30 hens. एक हाउस में 30 hens ज्यादा नहीं रख पाएंगे. Old hens lay 4 eggs per week and young hens lay 5 eggs per week. And each egg being sold at 5 rupees each. It costs 5 rupees to feed an old hen and 8 rupees to feed a young hen. और खाने के लिए दाना देते हैं. ओल्ड hen को 5 rupees and 8 hen को 8 rupees लगता है. Formulate this problem, determine number of hens of each type of Okay, he should buy so as to earn a profit more than 3000 per month. मतलब profit function is a objective function. Now you get profit function. Question इधर according to the question investment क्या है ना 80x x old hen x number of old hen क्या मतलब 80x young hens that is y number of young hens that is 140 that after investing that what invested then 3000 this is given here total जो है 80x plus 140y इनका cost 3000 से ज्यादा 3000 से ज्यादा at most 3000 or 3000 the more that it will be getted equal to condition number of hens accommodation in each house that is एक x number accommodate करेगा एक रूम में दूसरा रूम में y accommodate करेगा तो ये कितना ना दोनों मिला के ओके इनका जो रूम है ये ओल्ड हैन एंड यंग हैन दोनों मिला के उनका नंबर ऑफ कितना होगा लेस देन 30 होगा लेस देन 30 होगा लेस देन इक्वल 30 क्योंकि ना उन्होंने दिया है 30 से नॉट मोर देन 30 से ज्यादा तो इसलिए लेस देन नेक्स्ट इनकम क्या हो रहा है ये ओल्ड हैंड दे रहे क्या रेट पर हुई उनको बेच रहे 5 रुपए करके दैट इज इनकम मींस 4 into 5 दैट इज 20 रुपीज मिल रहे एंड इसके लिए खाने के लिए खर्च कर रहे 5 रुपया तो उनका प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ ना 4 into 5 minus 5 मतलब 20 से 5 गया दैट इज 15x उनका प्रॉफिट देन सिमिलरली ईच एग that means what young one that is 5 एग देते हैं 5 रुपया करके बेच रहे इसका मतलब 5 into 5 that is 25 एंड 8 रुपया उनको खाने के लिए देते हैं उनका मतलब वो एक्सपेंडिचर है so that is 25 minus 8 that x that is 17 that is y which is equal to 17y which is given that इनका प्रॉफिट ये तो प्रॉफिट है ना 15x plus 17 में ये प्रॉफिट कभी भी ग्रेटर देन वो मिनिमम 300 से ज्यादा होता है मिनिमम पर तो इसीलिए ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 300 दैट मींस प्रॉफिट फंक्शन जो है ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन वही है दैट्स व्हाई 15x and 17y that is the so what the value comes that means maximize z is equal to 15x plus 17y subject to the constraint that is equal to 80x plus 140y greater than equal to 3000 and x plus y is less than equal to 30 and 15x plus 17y is greater than equal to 300 and x y is greater than equal to 0 this is the formulation this is the form ये है formulation निकालना है इसी तरीके से निकालने से इजी हो जाएगा तो इसको लिखाना तो इधर ये है क्या ये ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन ये कंस्ट्रेंट ये है नॉन नेगेटिव रेशियो तो तीनों लिखना जरूरत है ये तीनों के लिए मानिए ओके दिस नेक्स्ट कम्स टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का सी what we will do question number 2 का C क्या test whether the relation are m comma n order pair such that two sides m plus n on z is reflexive symmetric or transitive static actually this is also comes from book that is page number 9 exercise question number 3 का second page पेज नंबर 9 में ये है इसको देखना ओके सो हाउ टू सॉल्व दैट मींस हियर आंसर व्हाट विल कम फर्स्ट हियर गिवन set is equal to z given and what relation here given that m related to n that means here given that m plus n okay 2 divides n ऐसे लिखा है इसका मतलब है m plus n is divisible by 2 ऐसे दिया है क्वेश्चन में इससे हम शुरू करेंगे रिफ्लेक्टिव। क्या रिफ्लेक्टिव हो? रिफ्लेक्टिव ऑलवेज एक एलिमेंट से होता है। लेट m इजी बिलोंग्स टू z, so that m plus m that is equal to 2m is divisible by 2. That's why you can write m is related to n. So r is reflexive. R is reflexive. Then symmetric. Let m दो एलिमेंट से होता है. m belongs to z. Let m, always you have to take m related to n. That means m plus n is divisible by 2. That means you can write n plus m is divisible by 2. That means you can write n is related to m. So R is the symmetry. R is the symmetry. Similarly, you can say that is a transiting. That means you take let m, n, p, which belongs to z. That means let m is related to n and n is related to p. That means you can say m plus n is divisible by 2 and n plus p is divisible by 2. That means you can add it m plus n plus n plus p. That means m plus p plus 2n is divisible by 2. Here m, n, p. Okay, either even or odd. Why? Now, because if it is possible, then m and p, m is plus n, the addition of two integer is divisible by 2. That means either it is odd होगा or it is even होगा. So that's why m and p either even होगा or odd होगा. Either even होगा or odd होगा. So that's why m plus p is also divisible by 2. That means m is related to p. That is m is related to p. So R is the transitive. So R the relation R is the transitive. That means you reflexive, symmetric, transitive ऐसे चेक करना है. इसको ऐसी तरीके से लिखने से तुमको मार्क मिले. This way you can write and you do that. Similarly, question number D, that is question number 2 का bit D. This question is what prove that for any function f such that x to y, f of identity of x is equal to f is equal to identity of y of x. ये प्रूव करने के लिए दिया. ये also this question also comes from the book, that is page number 16 and question number 16 also. This is the easy question. This is the easy question. How will you do? This is a very easy question. So that's why by definition, identity function with x is equal to x. Identity function of y is equal to y. So f of identity of x is equal to ये है कंपोजिट, ओ मींस कंपोजिट फंक्शन। एफ ऑफ आइडेंटिटी ऑफ एक्स एक्स इज इक्वल टू, ये ओ के बदल ये ब्रैकेट लग गया, so that means this value is equal to what, that means x, this is already given, so that's why that is f(x) comes for all x belongs to big X. So that means identity of y of f of x, that is identity of y of f of x. So that is o के बदल f ब्रैकेट लग गया, the f of x के बदल में y लिख दिया। इसका मतलब क्या है ना, ये the value comes identity of y according to definition that comes to y, that is y is equal to f. Similarly, f of identity of x, x is f of x is equal to identity of y of f of x, is same है। x करने से डायरेक्ट आंसर आ जाएगा, this is the answer. Okay, this is a very easy question. Now comes to question number 2 का EB. This question actually here 3 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus root 3 minus tan inverse 1 by x is equal to tan inverse 1 by 3. So this is actually element book में question number 13 आई भी पेज नंबर 65 इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्री फंक्शन में आया है। This is an easy question, very easy question, but it is a trick. Wow. So that a solution is there, means you can say 3 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus root 3 is equal to tan inverse 1 by x plus tan inverse 1 by 3. Here you know that is a tan, okay, inverse, a tan inverse 1 by 2 plus root 3 is equal to tan inverse, that is equal to minus root 3 also. That means ये किसका वैल्यू, ये 15 डिग्री का वैल्यू, मतलब ये है 45 माइनस 30 डिग्री का वैल्यू, ये क्या होगा, इनका वैल्यू वही है। सो दैट्स व्हाई ये हो गया कितना ना 45 डिग्री, ये हो गया 45 डिग्री, मतलब ये 15 डिग्री, हाउ मीन्स ये tan 45 minus 30 that is equal to what value comes, tan 45 minus tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan 45 tan 30. According to that, 1 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 means root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. After rationalization, 2 minus root 3 comes. After rationalization, this value comes. So that's why this is 15 degree. Means how will solve? That means tan इसका फॉर्मूला डाल दे, x plus 1 by 3 by 1 minus x into 1 by 3 is equal to, ये वैल्यू लिख दिया, tan इनवर्स ये 2 minus root 3, इसका मतलब 3 into 15 डिग्री, इसका मतलब ये है 3 plus x by ये 3x, ये 3x तो minus 1 which is equal to ये है tan inverse का वैल्यू. So that's why 3 plus x by 3x minus 1 is equal to tan 45 degree, means it's equal to 1. After solving 3 plus x, that is equal to 3x minus 1, then it comes to, this x comes to this x comes to this, 4 is equal to 2x, then x is equal to 2 is the answer. X is equal to is the answer. This is very easy. That is a formula, but some tricks are there at 15 degree you have to find out in this. Otherwise, you can directly, you can see tan inverse x, you can put also solve, but that is small large. Okay, that's why. So next question number, that is 3 completed. The next question number, that is 3 will come. The question 2 now completed. Question number 3 will. Here question number 3 का first bit. There are 25 guys and 15 boys in class 11 and 30 boys and 20 guys in class 12. If a student from a class selected at random happens to be a boy, find the probability that he was he has been chosen from class 12. That will actually comes from Element of Mathematics book. That question number 2, page number 178. सब बुक में आया है. ओके, देन आंसर क्या होगा, कैसे करें ना, ऐसे हम कर सकते हैं. दिस इज ए रूम. दिस इज क्लास 10 11th का, ये है क्लास 12th का. इसमें कितना ना 25 गर्ल्स है, 15 बॉयज है. इसी में कितना ना 30 बॉयज है, 20 गर्ल्स है. इतना ऐसे दिया है. तो हमको क्या करना है, सपोज इसको हम ए इवेंट लिया, इसको हम बी इवेंट लिया. ओके, हमको ऐसे लिखना है, इवेंट ए इज इक्वल टू दैट इज इवेंट, that is student in 11th class, and B, that is student in 12th class. So that is that E is the event. The E is the event. What event? That is selected. That is the selected student is boy. That means ये दो क्लास से एक उठाएंगे, इसका मतलब प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगा, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1/2. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी, दैट इज इक्वल टू, दैट मींस ये probability of A, probability B is equal to 1/2. That E condition of here, that is means here the boy selected from 11th class, boy is 15, that's what 15 by total is 40. इसका मतलब 5 से काटने से 3/8 आ गया. Then another boy is selected from, that is class 12. That means what value comes, that is boy is here 30, that is 30 divided by 50, means 3/5 comes. Then question asking, that is Bayes theorem, means probably it is application, that is Bayes theorem. Probability that he has been chosen from 12, ये 12th में है, 12th में मतलब B condition of E, that is the boy is elected, that is the selected boy is from 12. That means, so probability of B, probability of E condition of B by probability of A, probability of E condition of A plus probability of B, probability E condition of B. That value you have to put it simple. That is 1/2 into 3/5. 1/2 into, that is 3/8 plus, that means it comes to 1/2 into 3/5 comes. So what the result, half कट गया, 3/5 half कट गया. This is 3/5 divided by 3/8 plus 3 that is equal to 5. Taking LCM, then what value comes, that means by taking LCM what value comes, simple, that is 3/5 whole divided by kitna, that is 15 plus 24 by 8 into 5. तो 5/5 का 5/5 कितना हुआ, काट दिया, काटने के बाद कितना आएगा, ये है 5 नहीं काटेगा, हाँ 5 काट दिया, 5 काटने के बाद कितना आ गया, ये है नीचे चला जाएगा. इसका मतलब क्या होगा, ऊपर गया तो कितना होगा, 8 into 3 divided by, ये है 39, 3 से काटने से कितना होता है 13, मीन्स 8 by 13 is the answer. 8 by 13 is the answer. 8 by 13 is the answer. This is the easy question. You have to apply only Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem have to apply. Application is the Bayes theorem. Okay, Bayes theorem application हुआ है. So same thing, that is question number 3 का B bit. This is a question, that is question number 3 का B. 4 cards are drawn successively with replacement from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards and probability distribution of the number of aces. Calculate the mean and variance of the number of aces. Aces means that is a symbol S ऐसे ही है. A ये whatever that is, ये हो सकता है. ओके, ये हो सकता है डायमंड का, ये भी हो सकता है. ओके, हार्ट का, ये भी हो सकता है. क्लब का, ये ओके, ये भी हो सकता है. स्पेड का. समझ में आ रहा है नहीं? ऐसे ही है. एस को हमको ढूंढना है. समझ में आ रहा है? तो ऐसे 4 एस है. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 एलिमेंट का बुक में पेज नंबर 190 में है. 2019 में वो आया था. ये रिपीट क्वेश्चन. समझ में आ रहा है नहीं? वो रिपीट क्वेश्चन. हमको क्या करना है, आंसर कैसे निकालना है. हियर n is equal to given. n means 4 cards is given, so n is equal to 4. Simple. N is equal to 4. P, small p, that is equal to probability of S. कितना S? S that means 4 S है. 52 से 4 means 1 by 13 काम. Okay, next Q means probability of failure, that is the non S. S जो नहीं है तो non S है. मतलब that is 1 minus 1 by 13 means 12 by 13 काम. 12 by 13 come. That means what value comes here? The random variable, that is x, is the random variable of the 4 cards of what? Number of s's. Means random variable denote the number of s. कितना ऐसा? स्टार में 0 ऐसा आ सकता है, 1 ऐसा आ सकता है, 2 ऐसा आ सकता है, 3 ऐसा आ सकता है, 4 ऐसा आ सकता है. Probability of x such that probability x equal to 0x, probability x is equal to 1x, probability x equal to 2x, probability x equal to 3x, probability x equal to 4x. ऐसे हमको यह probability distribution का बात. First here probability distribution में probability x equal to 0 मतलब ये all or none means 4c is 0, 1 by 13 to the power 0, then 12 by 13 to the power 4. That value. Similarly, here it comes to जो value है probability x equal to 1, that is equal to 4c1, 1 by 13 to the power 1, 12 by 13 to the power कितना ना 5. सॉरी इधर 3 है. Then probability x equal to 2, then 4c2, 1 by 13 to the power कितना है 2 है. 12 to the by 13 to the power कितना है ना 2 है. Similar probability x equal to 3, that is equal to 4c3, 1 by 13 to the power कितना ना 3, 12 by 13 to the power कितना है 1. Similar probability x equal to 4, that is equal to 4c4, 1 by 13 to the power 4 here. So that means what value comes? This is equal to, directly you can say 12 by 13 to the power 4. This is directly you can say 4 into 12 by 13 to the power 3 by 12 to q by 13 to the power 4. Similarly, here 6 into, that is 12 to the power 2 by 13 to the power 4. Similarly, here 4 into 12 by 13 to the power 4. Similar, this equal to 1 by 13 to the power 4. These are the distribution. These are the distribution. Means you have to write in this distribution. So this the sum is equal to 1. That means here summation of px is equal to 1 comes. So if you add it this value, this is equal to 1. So that's why this is the probability distribution. So here what the mean is equal to mean, that is expectation, mean or x bar, or that is equal to mu, that is expectation of x, that is equal to summation of x px. ओके इसका मतलब क्या, इसके साथ इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, इसके साथ इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, इसको साथ इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, इसको साथ इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, इसको साथ इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके सम करने से मीन आ जाएगा। सिंपल नहीं तो हम लिख देंगे एन पी, एन क्या है 4, पी क्या है 1/13, मिला कितना ना 4/13 इज दैट इज मीन इज 4/13। सिमिलरली वेरिएंस क्या है, that is equal to sigma square. That means what value come na x square px का समेशन माइनस म्यू और मीन का फुल स्क्वायर। उसका मतलब कितना आएगा, ये डायरेक्ट इसको करके फॉर्मूला करके कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो फॉर्मूला डायरेक्ट है एनपीक्यू। एनपीक्यू का फॉर्मूला से हम डाल रहे हैं क्या, एनपीक्यू फॉर्मूला में एन का वैल्यू कितना ना, एन का वैल्यू हियर, एन का वैल्यू 4, पी का वैल्यू कितना 1/13, देन ये है 12/13, देन ये है 12/13। मतलब क्या है मिला हमको ना 48/169 इज वेरिएंस, 48/169 दैट इज ए वेरिएंस। दिस इज ए वेरी इजी कंसेप्ट। नहीं तो डायरेक्टली इसको इसका स्क्वायर इनटू दिस, इसका स्क्वायर इनटू दिस, इसका स्क्वायर इनटू दिस, इसका स्क्वायर इनटू दिस, इसका स्क्वायर इनटू दिस करके मीन का स्क्वायर सब्ट्रैक्ट करने से भी वैल्यू आएगा। ये थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा, मतलब ये तो 4 मार्क का क्वेश्चन, हम ऐसे क्यों इतना करेंगे, क्योंकि ना हमको प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मिल गया, हमको मीन और वेरिएंस ऐसे एनपी एंड एनपीक्यू फॉर्मूला से डाल देने से इजी होगा। ओके, दिस इज द टेक्निक यू कैन डू। नेक्स्ट दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर C onwards will tell in next video. Please subscribe and give more support for more update video. Please subscribe, बेल बटन दबा दो तो अच्छा से तुम्हारा लिंक आ जाएगा। That is whatever notification will come if okay, बेल बटन दबाने से क्विक इन्फॉर्मेशन तुमको मिल जाएगा। This is the nice. Please support and comment and share. Please, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. And that is actually this CHS annual 2000 क्वेश्चन क्या है, ये सब बुक में आया है। और कुछ बच्चे हैं जो सप्लीमेंट्री का बच्चे हैं, सपोज वीडियो देख रहे तो उसका पीछे वाला क्वेश्चन और आगे वाला क्वेश्चन देखो और लिंक्ड क्वेश्चन देखो, इसी तरफ से आएगा, जरूर आएगा 100%। में जो इस बार दिया था सिलेक्टिव तब आया था 90% को 91 क्वेश्चन आया था, 91 मार्क का क्वेश्चन आया था। ओके, प्लीज फॉलो माई, ओके प्लीज फॉलो माई लिंक। थैंक यू वेरी मच।